Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Lelit Bianca espresso machine. It comes to us with some issues. The main thing was the machine needs an overhaul and needs to replace that tap with the group head. It's also in the top with the mushroom valve. This is the old one, which is broken, so it's not allowing that flow control to work. So I just replace it, and I replace all of these pistons, one in the top, one in the bottom, and this is the shaft, control them up and down. And this is the mushroom valve gasket. It fits here under this mushroom valve. And the vacuum release valve, this is the old one. I just replace it with a new one. And after I deep clean the group head, I replaced the shower screen and the gasket with a new shower screen and a new nice silicone gasket. So the machine got two descaling circles, so I descale it. Then after I test it under pressure, put it back together. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. There is the pressure, and I can show the flow control how to slow it down. This is perfect shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. I'm not using the best beans, it's just like testing. So I like also to show how